Oh, we have an extra special 1969 Camaro today. It's actually a new 69 Camaro, only about 55 miles and a complete nut and bolt restoration. And I literally mean every nut and bolt. He even bought all the screw packages. Everything's new on this car. There's $47,000 just in parts. There's about 137,000 invested altogether. And it comes from somebody I know really well, pure car guy. He's got like an 8 car collection. He's owned his own shop. He's retired now, but he's owned his own body and collision shop his entire life. He built this car as a hobby for himself, and now it's time to sell it and move on to a different hobby. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this Camaro right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So it is a 69 Camaro with the Rally Sport Super Sport packages, 396 big block, 4-speed posi, 4-wheel disc brakes, air conditioned, and literally everything's new on the car. Absolutely zero rust. We have documentation, we have photos. He has the cowl hood on here, and he does show quality work. I've seen a lot of his work. I've known him for many years. This is all absolutely straight, clean, no rust, fits beautifully. The jams are just as slick. The whole car was painted apart and then clear coated, then put together, painted again, and then given 4 more coats of clear. Door shuts like new. It's Daytona Sunset Orange metallic. He put the real tiny metallic in there like they had back in the 60s. And everything, again, lines up beautifully. No rust, no damage, no dents. Nothing funny at all. It's so clean, straight, true. Look at the gaps, spot on. And this thing is wet sanded and polished. Even the jams are slick and polished. And the key buzzer even works. So the body and paint is amazing, except for this handprint right here. And then every piece of chrome trim moldings is new. The mirrors, the stainless, the wiper arms, the emblems, the marker lights, everything up here, the grille, the emblems, the chrome in the doors, the lenses, the spoiler, all been replaced, upgraded with electric headlight doors so they open and close beautifully. All of the glass, the windshield, all the side glass, the back window, it's all been replaced. It's all aligned and fits nicely. New vinyl top, the new trim around the top. They call that a halo top because you can see some of the body color there. I chose the Cooper tires, and I've been reading. They're actually, a lot of people say they're better than the BF Goodrich. They don't yellow, and they ride a lot better. So they're Cooper Cobra tires on the nice 5-spoke wheels with Chevy logos in the middle. And back here, same thing. Yeah, spoiler. Everything's new. The lenses, the tail lights, has the Rally Sport reverse lights mounted down below there. But yeah, I want to say a flawless paint job because I don't know of even a small flaw on the car, but it looks new. Let's open it up, continue the tour. All right, let's see how it looks in the trunk. Brand new, of course. Look how nice and slick and clear coated it's painted. The stickers are new, the weather strips are new, the jams are slick. Inside is all pristine metal with a very nice spatter finish. New mat, new seat divider, new wiring, new latch, new tail light housings. New, new, new. And not only new, but it all came together right. It all fits right. He's a meticulous guy. He did this as a hobby. He wasn't doing it to flip the car. The jams are really slick. Again, all new weather strips, sill plates, reproduction door panels, armrests, window handles. You put power windows in the car. Then the entire dash, the vents, the knobs, the wiring behind the dash, the circuit board, the gauges, 54 miles. It's all new stuff. Quartz movement clock, new tachometer, vintage air electric slide heater controls, but it looks like the originals. New dash pad, and it fits right. Again, the AC vents, the moldings, ashtray, no cigarette lighter. Inside the glove box, you got some miscellaneous paperwork, an owner's manual, and it comes with a stack of paperwork. Those pictures are on our website. Kick panels, carpet, mats. I probably got 100 pictures of the restoration process. There's some on our website, not all of them. All new. Wiring, gauges, console, the trim, Hearst linkage with the chrome ball. All new reproduction seat belts. The seats are all rebuilt. All new cushions, new upholstery, new headrests, new seat backs, new knobs, everything. And wall to wall back here, it's all replaced. Power windows, the side panels, the seat upholstery, the cushions, all around the back window, the rear shelf, the moldings, all new. And look how nice it all fits. New headliners tight as a drum, working dome light, new visors, new mirror, new deluxe wheel on a tilt column. Trim on the pedals. All of it looks new. It has a retro stereo with a custom auto sound CD player mounted neatly below it. It has a 140 mile an hour speedometer. Those gauges in the console are NOS gauges. Okay, now the engine. It's a 396 motor. It's actually a correct motor. It's dated 1969, correct JB code. Completely rebuilt, making 400 horsepower. Has a mother thumper cam, ported and polished heads, the aluminum intake, HEI ignition, fuel lines, carburetor. It's all new. I'm trying to see what carbs under there. It looks like an original style quadrajet with the choke hooked up, or the GM hose, complete cowl induction air cleaner, all the plug wires, distributor, all that's new. Everything on the firewall, all the components are new, all meticulously painted. The washer bottle, the support brackets, the horns, all the AC components, all new, new, new. Aluminum radiator, the electric fan, new pulleys, new belts, new brackets, new alternator. Has power steering, all new wiring. Here's the AC compressor, new valve covers. All the steering, the box, the lines, the hoses, all new. Cadmium plated brake booster. So it has power steering, power brakes, and air. Squirters are hooked up. All the screws are new. We bought all the screw kits for the car. Insulation, the wire that goes to the little flapper that opens in the cowl hood. So that's all complete, all new. He told me he has hundreds of dollars just in screws that he bought for the car. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs and drives, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, man, is this a nice Camaro. Normally don't talk about the body, but the fit and finish on this one, exceptional. The way the hood closes and the doors and the trunk, this one's just over the top nice. Everything's brand new on it, only reading 55 miles on the odometer, and they literally use like virtually all new parts on it. When you pop the hood, look underneath, everything is just fresh, and it is done to a very high quality. Someone's going to get a great car here and have a lot of fun while looking good. Chambered exhaust there, sounds really tough, and it has air conditioning that is on and running right now, blowing cold. 396, 4-speed manual. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to 60 miles an hour. Absolutely no problem at all. What a great ride. I can feel that the front end is just super tight on this thing. And it's got a new power steering gearbox, tubular control arms, everything fresh underneath. Let's see how they set this one up. I had a good feeling, and it is point on. Very nice build here. And it does have like power windows even, things like that. Fresh stuffing in the seats. Amazing. Somebody's gonna get a real winner with this one. Come down, take it for a test drive if you don't take my word for it, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
You're not going to believe this, but everything under the car is new also. All of the suspension completely rebuilt. Every bushing, every component, painted beautifully, detailed, even has assembly line tags put back on, upgraded with tubular control arms in front. It does have gas shocks all the way around, and yeah, the rear suspension, bushings, all that's redone as well. He did upgrade the brakes. It's disc at all four wheels, all the brake lines, hoses, all of that completely new. The e-brake assembly, all new fuel system, the tank, the lines, sending unit, you name it. It's all been replaced. Has the optional chambered exhaust, all new reproduction. It's like a crimped pipe instead of mufflers, so it's a little bit louder than normal. It's a factory performance option available back then. That's what he put on here. You look up at the motor, it's clean, I mean spotless, it's new, the starter's new, probably a high torque starter. It's a Muncie transmission, completely rebuilt, all new clutch, flywheel, shift linkage, reverse light switch, all new. Rebuilt or new aluminum drive shaft, goes to the 12-bolt posi rear end. That's all rebuilt, it's got 331 gears in it. So yeah, this is as close to new as you will get on any 69 Camaro anywhere. The workmanship is excellent, and it's just quality front to back, top to bottom. Get in, turnkey, drive. Go to the volocars.com website. You can read all the specs, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get your 69 Camaro delivered to your driveway. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. And in the comments, why don't you count how many times I said new and let me know how many times I said the word new in this video. Thanks for watching.